Recently, Scratch has uploaded a new extension called Face Sensing, and it's absolutely amazing. It's probably one of the best things Scratch has done so far, because using this you can literally make filters. Like for example, if you go in Snapchat or any social media and you see those funny little filters, guess what? We're gonna be making one in today's video, so stay tuned until the entire video. Do not miss a single second, because every single second there's gonna be some new information. So without any delay, let's get right in the video.
Alright, so when you create your new project, first of all, you want to name it something. I'm going to name it Face Sensing. My spelling is so bad. Now, we're going to go to the extensions button over here. You see all of look, sound, events, all of these bars. On the bottom of everything, you're going to see this little tiny icon. And then when you click on that, you're going to get all of these new things. So all these are pretty old. But the one thing that Scratch made is that it's actually new is face sensing. You can sense faces with the camera, so you want to click on that, and then you're gonna get a whole bunch of options. Now you can even see my face. You can see like faces as well. So now, if for example, you can even make filters. You can make a lot of stuff here. So what I want to do in this video, I'm gonna make like a filter. Like for example, if when you go in Snapchat or like Messenger and then you see like these random filters on your face, I'm gonna make that exactly. So I'm gonna take one flat click and I want to choose a sprite. So I want my eyes to kind of be like, yeah, I want glasses, like sunglasses or something. If I search up glasses, yup, nice. We don't need the cat. Okay, so if I'm going costumes, first glasses, second one, third one, fourth one, nah, we don't need that. Okay, so second one, we don't need that. Third one, first one or third one? Yeah, I think the first one is not that. Okay, we're gonna keep the first one for now because I want to see my eyes as well to show you the filter and like stuff that happens in it. So we're gonna keep that one. Now we're gonna get on when flat clicked. Okay, we want to set the size to 150. Let's see, do they fit me? Do they fit me? Nope, a bit bigger. Let's do, what if we do 200? And yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect. And now I want my glasses to forever. Now I'm going to go in face sensing and go to, let's say, my left eye. You see they're right now on me, but I don't want them to only be on my left eye. So I'm going to stop that. So between eyes, if I click on that, boom, see? They're right in between my eyes. Like it's like I feel like I'm actually wearing glasses whenever I look in here. It's honestly pretty cool. So that's for my glasses. And now I want to get something on my nose. I want to get like those clown balls on my nose. So if I go and choose a sprite and I want to choose, let's see. Can I switch it? Oh, there's balls right here. Okay, so I want this one. Will this one good? I want a red one. So I don't want a pink one. So I'm going to choose red. Yeah, I'll like red. And then over there, I'm just gonna go fully on red. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna take all of these out. I don't want any of these ones. I just want the red one. Now, this is another hack that you can do in Scratch. You can literally just drag it in the next one. It kind of copies itself. So you have the code in the glasses section, as well as in the ball section. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. Go to between eyes. We don't want that. Go to our nose. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, that's actually pretty cool. You see, I literally look like a clown right now. I don't even know why I'm doing this. If I set the size to, let's say, 50. No, it has to be bigger. I should be looking like a clown for sure. Yeah, 90 is perfect, I guess. And then we want something on our mouth. Should we take something on our mouth? Is there a beard in Scratch? Nope. Mustache. There is not a mustache. Wow. They should really add that stuff. But guess what? We don't have that. We're gonna get it off Google. Alright, I searched a mustache. These are the things that I got. I like this one. Is this one good? It is not transparent. Wow. Oh my god, these guys lie. Okay, that one's actually pretty good. We're gonna keep this one now. We gotta save the image. Save image as mustache. Yep, perfect. Let's go. And now we're just gonna upload it. Then mustache. Boom. And then open. And then guess what? Oh, well, guess what? I don't like this background part over here. So I'm just going to go in costumes. I'm just going to take the erase button. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Actually, that's too much. How about like 20 is the size? Because I need to get those fine details in. Boom, 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 boom. Nice, okay. This is not working out good. It's fine. Actually, I take my words back. It's actually pretty good. It's not even that bad. I'm gonna do it like there. Everything's fine over here. Yeah, just a little bit like that. So fine tuning over here. And boom. We got a mustache without any background. Now we're just gonna go in its code. We're gonna literally do the same thing. We're gonna take this code on there. Since now it's copied, now we can just put, instead of nose, we want where? Right on the mouth. Click the green flag again. I look like Dr. Eggman right now. Like literally, this is way too big. So I just need to make it smaller. I'm gonna say like 20, the size 20. This is perfect. Literally, you can make a whole game of filters on Scratch now because you have this face sensing extension now. You can make like literally a whole game of filters. Well, I'm not gonna be doing in this video because I just wanted to show you the basics of face sensing, but don't worry, in the next video or in a couple of the next videos I will be making a face sensing application on Scratch. So be tuned for that. Don't miss out any videos on this channel. And yeah, that is really it for this channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any more new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.